Hi guys, welcome to your library at home. We've got about 2 minutes before we get started, but I wanted to show you what we're going to be making tonight. We're going to be making these rustic twig vases. You could also put candles in them if you wanted, but aren't they cute? I made that one, and I've got this one right here. Isn't this cute? It's made out of twigs from my backyard. Hi Emma. Thanks for watching tonight. We've got 1 minute before we get started, but I'm going to tell you we're going to be making rustic twig vases, and you are going to be using literally twigs just like this from your backyard. Okay, so gather up a bunch of twigs, maybe cut yourself some cute little flowers, and then you can go ahead and put them in a vase that is an old can. So rustic twig vases tonight. I think it's probably just about 7 o'clock, so I'm officially going to get started. So, hi guys, welcome to your library at home. I'm Elda, and tonight we're going to be making these, like I said, really cute rustic twig vases. I made 2 different sizes. This one was actually made in a tomato soup can, and this one right here was made from a tomatoes can, like a bigger can of tomatoes. So what you guys are going to need to make these are some, hi Maureen, some sticks from your, hi Denise. These are just literally twigs I collected from my backyard, which is kind of funny because now I can't walk past a twig without wanting to pick it up. So you need twigs, you're going to need scissors, some gardening shears, burlap. If you don't have burlap, any fabric will work. And this is a skinnier jute that I actually, hi Heike, I actually got this dollar store. So I kind of prefer the skinnier one, but if you have any kind of string, it'll work. For those of you guys that just joined, this is what we're making tonight, a little rustic twig, trying them backwards, there you go, a little rustic twig vase. So first thing you're gonna wanna do, I'm gonna turn the camera down. Hi Angie. I'm gonna turn the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. There you go. I'm gonna move my little tray over a little bit. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, I already got it started. I trimmed a bunch of twigs, but grab your twigs. We're gonna cover up this little can tonight. So this actually was left over from my Mother's Day project, sweetened condensed milk can. Actually painted it pink. It does not need to be painted pink. What you wanna do is you wanna grab your twigs and you wanna just kinda eyeball, get the idea of the height. I like to go just a little bit over the top of the can, snip it, and you guys can see, so it's just a little taller. So you're gonna take this one and go ahead. If you guys don't have these pinking shears, just use skinnier sticks, and then you can use scissors. This one's really, really fat. I'm gonna go ahead and trim some of these, so go ahead and trim a bunch. All right, I think you guys probably get the idea. Hi, Natalie. I like to use a combination of skinny and wider because you'll see when you get to the end, you may actually have to put in a couple skinny ones just to make it line up. So I like to put some skinny ones, if you guys can see, like these are fat sticks, thicker sticks, skinnier sticks, all mixed in so that when I get to the end, if I, can't fit one of my sticks, and I can go ahead and put in a smaller one. So you want to go ahead and trim all your twigs. So here's all my twigs trimmed. I'm going to start you off with one, but then we're going to finish up this one. So literally what you want to do is you want to tie a knot. Hi Joanne. Tie a knot. And this is actually a great project to do with kids too, because you could have them collect all the sticks in your yard. Tie up, you guys can see that, so it's just a knot on there. And then hold your stick. So, really quickly, what I like to do too is just kind of hold them up around. And I figure, like, let's say we go around about 8 sticks, and then I know I need probably about 24 sticks. So go ahead and tie your knot. This part's a little tricky, but after you do it a couple times, you get the idea. So you just want to wrap the twine around your sticks. I usually do about 5 My twine actually had the other end sticking out, so I can actually work on 2 at one time. So just wrap them around, just like that. Okay, and then I'll go to the other one and tie that one off so I can kind of keep them together. It gets a little tricky if you're actually making a bigger one. It gets a little tricky. See how they're kind of flopping all over the place? So after I get about 5 or 6, I'm gonna just go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue on them so they'll stay in place for me. So you want to tie your knot. I'm doing this upside down again, guys, so this is a little awkward. It's sliding all over. Can you guys see that? So let's move those back up. I grab the whole stack. This is my end one. Tie my knot. There you go. And with all that rain that we had, there's lots of sticks out there right now, so perfect project. All right, so let's go back to where we were. And I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little dab of glue right across these sticks just to kind of keep them in place. It doesn't have to be perfect at the top with your string. So go ahead and pull those a little tight. Now I can tie up my second batch, just wrap it around, slide that stick over. Once you get about 10 of them, they lay nice and flat too. It's way easier. Starting it is a little tricky. Wrap it around. And wrap it around. That one popped off. That was a skinny one, so he kind of came off. All right, so hopefully you guys can get the idea by watching me, because I know it's hard when it's upside down sometimes. Okay, so now I've got these all together. Let's go ahead and put a little glue across them again so they stay in place for you. I'm not going to touch that right now because I know it's going to be hot. All right, so there you got it. And then you would just keep wrapping. Wrap them around. I'm actually going to put this one off to the side, and we are going to finish up this one so I can show you how to actually do the whole can. All right, so you guys can see that, yes. All right. I'm going to do top and bottom because I've got this one going good. If I wasn't laying these flat, I actually, so you guys could see it, I would actually hold it up as well because that makes it a little easier. All right, I'm going to keep going. Around. Put a little glue on this. And I'm going to let this dry for a minute, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do to the can with the burlap and the glue stick. Oh, the glue stick doesn't want to go in. There we go. All right, so now to do the can. Just trim yourself a piece of burlap, maybe just a tiny bit, like 1/8 of an inch over your can. Go ahead and trim it. This is also from the dollar store. It was just a bolt of ribbon. Go ahead and put yourself a little bit of glue down here. I line it up on the bottom. Wrap it around. All right, so it's okay if it sticks up a little bit too, because your sticks are probably gonna stick up a little bit. Now I'm gonna test out these sticks and see how many more I need. Okay, I need to put like 2 more sticks on that. So that's what I do. I lay it down, I roll it across my can. I know I need about 2 more sticks. This is probably where I'm gonna have to put a skinny one on. That one, oh look at, I cut that one too short. I cut it so that I could do this in the video. We're gonna have to make this end right here. Okay, so go ahead and put a little bit of glue on your can. The glue gun has it jammed. Does that ever happen to you guys? It's like not wanting to. There we go. Okay, fixed. A little bit of glue down here. It's right by my seam too, and I'm gonna lay it on my sticks. And I'm just gonna go across a little bit more glue so it catches the sticks as we're rolling. Let's see how close we came to the end. And when you get to this point, you just kind of tap it, and all of the, if you guys can see, they're all pretty much lined up at the bottom. All right, I got really close to this. I shouldn't have trimmed my sticks, but if you guys can see, it's just like 2 sticks short. Go ahead and put a little bit of glue on your very last stick, so it'll hold it in. All right, we're gonna go ahead, and if any of them pop out, you just sneak your glue right in between there. I'm gonna go ahead and just glue the sticks on this. Let's just pretend like I tied them, just because I want you guys to see what this looks like finished. So we'll go ahead and put some glue in there. I got these sticks trimmed. That one is not. That one is. And I've got room, if you guys can see that now, there's room for one more little skinny one. Just trim this one for us. All right. So now if you look at this, there's a couple spots where your twigs are just a little loose, and you just want to go ahead and sneak a little bit of glue in a few of those spots to just, my sticks are also super bumpy sticks. Kind of a funny story because we cleaned up all the sticks in our backyard. Hi Sarah, hi Cindy, hi Myra. Did you guys see what we're actually making? And you guys just popped in. This is what we're making, these vases right here. Super cute when they're done. So my sticks were all cleaned up in my yard, of course. We had some rain and a few branches fell down, so I was actually able to grab some sticks. I'm gonna clean all this off now because should all be pretty much attached. All right, there you go. There's our little mini one. But I want to show you guys something. So what I was saying is, like, my sticks were kind of bumpy, so if you guys do get these sticks that have little nubs on it, just go ahead with your shears and snip them off so they're flat. And I don't know if any of you guys have hydrangea bushes in your yard, but these, you know how like the hydrangeas grow off the dead sticks? These are hydrangea ones, which actually are nice. If you can see that it's like perfectly smooth. So these ones are really good to use. So I feel like this is nice and secure. No sticks are falling off, but just go ahead and go through. If you feel like you're losing, like a little stick is a little loose, just stick a little hot glue underneath there. And if you can see they're not perfect along the top, that's what kind of makes it look rustic. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera back up. So this was a super easy project. Literally cost me nothing. And you can also put a candle in here if you wanted. Just so you guys know, these are cans. So I put the water right in here. Here's a medium. So these two, since they're cans, I just have water right in there. Because I wanted my lilies of the valley, I put this one in a little jar, popped it right in there, and there you have it. Cute little vase. So if you guys make one of these, let me know. I would love to see them. Really fun. As you see, they're super easy and quick to do. Great idea if you wanted to give somebody flowers as a gift. You can just pop them right in there. Also, I was thinking, if you guys have, which I feel like all of us have, laying around those candles from like Bath and Body Works, you know, they come in the really nice glass jars. Perfect for this because then actually you've got like a little mini glass vase. So, like I said, here's the one we just made tonight. Quick, easy. Once you start tying those together, you will definitely get the hang of it. So, hopefully you guys like this project. Let me know if you make one. Please send in pictures. And get out there and pick up your sticks in your yard before it rains and make some vases. Also, too, for those of you guys that are watching, summer reading starts tomorrow, so if you have kids, make sure you get them to sign up, okay? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.